My name is Tom Watson. I'm our supply chain manager here at Aegean Heritage. I look after everything from our procurement right the way through to our delivery of product to our customers. I think in general over time, since upgrading our machinery with the new equipment that MULTIVAC are bringing into the market, it's very much beneficial for us in terms of the ramping up of our operation. So as we increase our business, MULTIVAC has the machinery to be able to support our increase in growth. Aegean Heritage have been using MULTIVAC for over 20 years now. I think the main benefit working with MULTIVAC is the seamless service through call-outs. Everything is instant and the guys are on site pretty much immediately, which is a massive benefit for us. I would describe MULTIVAC as professional, reliable and attentive.